There's just so many tools out there, but few are put together to do everything that you need to create success as a coach and creative. What Movement Formula does is it actually empowers you to sell online faster than ever. Because you see, you have a dream and a vision on how you want to impact the world. And Movement Formula equips you with the tools that you need to build that vision into a reality in no time at all. It's a simple, all-in-one design and marketing suite that literally, and now I mean literally, gives you a competitive edge when it comes to creating your own online business as a coach and creative. Most people think technology is super complicated and it can be intimidating at times, but the Movement Formula platform is literally drag and drop software. You don't have to know any code whatsoever to build your business. Movement Formula takes your entire sales process and transforms it from time-consuming in-person meetings and phone calls to something that's actually scalable online. We do this by automation and leading your fans and followers through a series of steps. And what those steps are is we're telling them who it is that you are, what it is that you do, but also how to get started with working with you, right? So because Movement Formula is an all-in-one suite, you can actually stop spending those thousands of dollars trying to digital duct tape different software together and actually put an end to the headache of trying to get all those tools and different softwares to actually even work, right? It's time to build the movement you're meant to lead. It's time to go from late nights and lost weekends to making your massive impact and time freedoms. Movement Formula is so much more than just a software. It's an environment and a culture of people just like you that have a message that the world needs to hear. See, we believe the world needs the power of coaches and creatives just like yourself in order to make it a better and more beautiful place. At Movement Formula, we do things differently. We don't focus on chasing the dollar, trying to build $1 million business, but instead we focus on making $1 million impact, where the money that we make is simply a byproduct from the results that we deliver into the lives of those we serve. So at Movement Formula, we empower people to do two things: launch funnels and change lives. This here is your invite to become part of it. This is your invite to become your own movement maker. Start building the movement you're meant to lead today by clicking the button now.